Definitely time to change Hopi's flag. That's looking kind of manky. And like I was saying, it's definitely time to change out Hopi's flag. This thing's became tattered and worn. So she's got a new Air Force One. So that's good. So it'll be out up and flying soon. Okay, Hopi's flag is up and flying right there. Okay, so the backup camera right there stopped working, so I'm gonna try and fix it today. This was actually a temporary fix that I did last year when we were in Canada, so it lasted a year. So now it's definitely time to try and fix this correctly. It's completely snapped itself. So we'll replace that. Definitely got enough cable. See how it looks. Nope. 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 Camera is now working again. That's good. Okay, so what did we do? Well, one, we put Hope's flag up. That's the most important. Second, completely disconnected this from the vehicle because the wire was snapped really close in. Put 2 new wires on with 2 quick disconnects, so maybe in the future we won't have this problem again. And then oh yeah, added this extra cable to it. That's the original cables here. They're kind of fading out with the sun, so just did a little quick repair there. And hopefully that will last us another year. Because the last time we did it in Canada last year, and that worked perfect. So yeah, there we go. Quick and easy. Let's talk about this fly net that we put on a couple days ago. We were like, we gotta modify the bottom of it. No, you don't have to modify the bottom of it. It actually comes with these little stick-on metal pieces where the magnet just click to, just like that. So now I don't have to modify anything. That's a brilliant design. Happy with that. Summer shower.
They're ready for any flooding. They had their appointments right here.
86 degrees and raining. Okay, so we're in Wilmington and we just got done with Hope's pre-op appointment.
Yeah. It was pretty smooth.
Yeah, so now we're gonna head to a brewery, spend the night, have a nice couple meals, and
Then head back home and see the grandkids again.
next Thursday she's gonna get her knee fixed.
Yeah.
So
Looking forward to that.
that's all good
And then we'll
news.
be back on the road after that.
Yeah, well,
Depending on the eyes. I got cataracts really bad and I have to get eye surgery.
so we'll see how things go. Let's put it that way. How's that, guys? So thanks for watching.
And we'll see you next time.
See ya.
Love you.
Okay, so this is where we're spending the night. It is Waterman's Brewery Company. Yeah, I smell the salt air.
We used to do a batch a week.
That's brilliant. I just love coming to breweries. To me, it's amazing.
Brew house on this side, fermenters all over here on this side.
Yeah, we got a little YouTube channel, so but we're staying like to throw stuff in there. Yeah. Okay, I am drinking the Couch Surfer right now, and it is brilliant. Poppy, what are we getting to eat?
Fish and chips. With vinegar.
With
Yes.
vinegar. We always forget to do this, but there's the fish and chips.
Okay, if mine is one chip on mine, and how many on your plate?
Mine is 2 chips on my side.
It's easy.
It's so good. Another good night's sleep. Okay, so it was Prime Day, and got a couple bits and bobs for the van that I think I needed. First being a 2-gallon fuel tank, pretty narrow, and I got this one for one specific reason. I want to mount it to the ladder. And I really want to mount it right behind where this trash bag is. And like I was saying, it's only 2 gallons. ProMasters don't exactly get great fuel mileage. On a good day going downhill with the wind behind me, I may get 18 miles per gallon. So this will basically give us 30 miles of, oh crap, we're almost out of gas range, or we're off-road somewhere and we need to get to a gas station. This gives a little bit more peace of mind. So yeah, construction of this is solid. It barely bends or bows. So yeah, that's that part. And to attach it, we went to Tractor Supply and got this 8-piece tie-down combo pack. Only 19 bucks, so not too bad. This was like 80 bucks though. That was expensive for a gas can, but safety, definitely worth it. So it's gonna take me 5-10 minutes just to bust this out. All the tie downs, all these clips and stuff they got in it. So we'll get back to it when I've got it out. Okay, this is basically the position I want to have this stored. I mean, from behind, you can barely see it. So, pretty happy with that. I just got to strap it in place now. Right now I just got it dangling, so I can get a rough estimate where I want to put it. But that looks pretty good to me. Okay, that's one strap on going across, cinched down. This one's still just holding it there. I'm going to put another one through here and around. And I may even put one right here. Not too sure yet on that one. Okay, 2 ratchet straps are on. Probably going to add just one of these cinch ties. It's just for more. Go around here. And we'll see how that looks. Okay, gas tank is on. It's not even touching the door, so that's good. Yeah. Just gotta put back on the big trash bag. Okay, I am happy with how this turned out. So we got the gas tank, and then this is our big trash bag for me. Can't find a trash can and put stuff in, we put it in that. Well, I am happy with that. I don't know what you're saying. Why'd you put it on your step ladder? Well, hardly use the step ladder anyway, because we got one of them expanding ladders. So this has become a catch-all for a whole bunch of stuff. And I am happy with this.